In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text around an image in Canva. Whether you're creating a newsletter, a presentation, or just a fun design project, learning this skill can add a dynamic touch to your visuals. To get started, you'll first want to head over to canva.com. If you already have an account with Canva, simply click on the login button located in the upper right corner. You can sign in using several methods with Google, Facebook, or your email. Go with whichever option is most convenient for you. Once you're logged in, navigate to your existing projects and select the one you want to work on. If you're starting from scratch, feel free to create a new design that suits your project's needs. With your project open, let's add the elements we'll be working with, the text and the image. You can easily do this by locating the text and elements options on the left toolbar. By clicking on these, you can select the text style and image that will best fit your design. Now that you have your text and image ready, it's time to start wrapping. Take the text box and resize it by selecting one of its edges and dragging it inward. Doing this will create narrower columns, which is essential for the text to wrap effectively around your image. It's worth taking your time during this step to get that initial layout just right. Next, click on the text box and navigate to the effects option. This section allows you to add some flair to your text. Scroll down and you'll find an option called Curve. Click on it to apply the curve effect to your text. This step is crucial for achieving that wrapped look you're aiming for. Once you've curved the text, it's time to position your text box close to your image. This may require a little bit of adjusting. Feel free to experiment with placement until you're satisfied with the way your text complements the image. To take your text wrapping even further, let's tweak the line height and letter spacing. Select your text box again and head to the spacing option located at the top. Adjusting these settings allows you to control the flow between lines and letters, giving you more control over the overall look of your design. By following these steps, you'll have wrapped text around your image, giving your project a polished and professional touch. Play around with these tools to see what unique designs you can create. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you have fun exploring all the creative possibilities Canva has to offer.